In the depths of the ocean, a hidden world thrives, pulsating with life. Kelp forests, the underwater jungles of the sea, harbor astonishing creatures that blend beauty with survival. Sunlight pierces through cerulean waters, illuminating the swaying fronds of kelp that reach toward the surface, creating a mesmerizing dance of shadows and light. Beneath this canopy, marine life flourishes, schools of shimmering fish dart in and out of the kelp, while sea otters glide through the water, weaving through the thick foliage. This vibrant scene invites explorers to uncover the mysteries within these realms. Kelp forests stretch along coastlines, forming vast underwater jungles that serve as homes for countless species. Kelp, a giant brown algae, can grow up to 2 feet a day, providing shelter, food, and breeding grounds for diverse marine organisms. Tiny invertebrates cling to kelp's surface, while larger predators prowl beneath the canopy. Each inch of these forests teems with life, showcasing intricate relationships that bind species together. Creatures such as the vibrant sea urchin graze on kelp, while the elusive wolf eel lurks camouflaged in rocky crevices. These ecosystems are marked by astonishing biodiversity, with each species contributing to the delicate balance that sustains the habitat. Sea otters prey on sea urchins, controlling their population and preventing overgrazing, illustrating the symbiotic relationships vital for ecosystem health. Kelp forests play a critical role in our fight against climate change. Acting as powerful carbon sinks, they absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and mitigate climate effects. They also produce oxygen and help regulate coastal waters. Yet, these ecosystems face unprecedented threats from rising sea temperatures, pollution, and overfishing. Urgent action is needed to protect and restore kelp forests, as their collapse could have dire consequences for marine life and the health of our planet. Climate change is raising ocean temperatures and altering the delicate balance sustaining these ecosystems. The future of kelp forests hinges on our actions today. We must advocate for sustainable fishing practices, reduce pollution, and support conservation efforts. Hope lies in our hands, as innovative restoration efforts gain momentum across the globe. Communities are working together to plant new kelp and regulate fishing activities, restoring underwater jungles to their former glory. Reflecting on the resilience of these ecosystems reminds us of our connection to the ocean and our responsibility to protect it. Descending deeper into the kelp forest, vibrant greens and shimmering blues envelop us. The towering fronds sway with the currents, housing a wealth of life. Recent studies reveal that these forests house over 1,000 species, intricately woven into the ecosystem's fabric. The kelp forests of the California coast, documented since the mid-20th century, serve as prime examples of the ecological importance of these habitats, with their lush landscapes providing refuge and sustenance for myriad organisms. In 1968, an ecological survey revealed the rich biodiversity within these kelp forests, noting not only the multitude of species but also the complex interdependencies that characterize this unique environment. The sea otter plays a pivotal role as a keystone species. Agile and playful, these marine mammals glide through the kelp, using tools to crack open sea urchins. Their voracious appetite helps control urchin populations, preventing devastation of the kelp. In the late 1800s, sea otters faced near extinction due to the fur trade, their populations dwindling to a mere few hundred. However, conservation efforts have seen a resurgence. By 1972, federal protections allowed sea otter numbers to rebound, and regions where otters have returned, such as Monterey Bay, showcased the remarkable recovery of kelp forests, illustrating the interconnectedness of marine life. Kelp also provides sanctuary for countless smaller organisms. Tiny shrimp and juvenile fish find refuge among fronds, while vibrant anemones cling to the structure, their tentacles swaying gently with the currents. Researchers discover that kelp forests serve as nurseries for commercially important fish species, ensuring their survival. The ecological tapestry is rich. For instance, the juvenile rockfish often seek the safety of kelp, where they can grow and mature away from predators, their colors blending seamlessly with the kelp's hues, a living canvas of nature's artistry. Kelp can reach astonishing lengths. Some species grow 2 feet per day in optimal conditions. This rapid growth is fueled by sunlight and nutrients from upwelling ocean waters, creating an underwater tapestry that continuously evolves. An example is the giant kelp, Macrocystis pyrifera, which can form dense forests that extend over many acres and provide critical habitat for marine species. This growth pattern is not only vital for the species that rely on kelp for survival but also plays a significant role in coastal protection by dampening wave energy and reducing coastal erosion. However, kelp forests face threats as vast as the ocean itself. Warmer waters lead to harmful algae blooms, suffocating kelp and reducing biodiversity. Increased ocean temperatures have been linked to kelp decline in once lush regions. For example, in 2014, researchers noted a significant decline in the kelp forests along the Pacific coast, correlating with the warm water anomalies of the blob, a vast area of abnormally warm water that affected marine ecosystems. Understanding these shifts is crucial as research aims to uncover how these ecosystems can withstand the pressures of climate change and what mitigation strategies can be employed to help them thrive. Scientists and conservationists are pioneering innovative restoration techniques. Subsea reforestation efforts are underway, with teams planting kelp seedlings in areas where they have disappeared. Healthy kelp forests could store carbon equivalent to emissions produced by millions of cars, highlighting their significance in mitigating global warming. In 2017, an ambitious project off the coast of San Diego involved transplanting juvenile kelp to restore a previously vibrant forest, showcasing the determination to revive these critical habitats. Such efforts are bolstered by community support, uniting local fishermen, environmentalists, and researchers in a common goal to bring life back to the underwater jungles. As we navigate this wilderness, the beauty of the kelp forest reveals itself. Sunlight filters through the canopy, casting ethereal patterns on the sandy seafloor, while schools of silver fish dart through the fronds, their scales glinting like tiny mirrors. Each moment spent within this vibrant ecosystem reminds us of the intricate connections binding life together, where every organism plays a crucial role. The gentle sway of the kelp, the soft rustling of marine life, creates a symphony of sound, echoing the heartbeat of the ocean. As we delve deeper, we discover remarkable adaptations. The vibrant ochre sea star clings tightly to a rock, its arms extending outward as it searches for prey. This marine invertebrate feasts on mussels, showcasing evolutionary ingenuity within these underwater jungles. As it pries open the shells of its meal, the sea star's tube feet extend, gripping tightly to rocky surfaces, a mesmerizing display of nature's design. The sea star's ability to regenerate lost limbs is a testament to the resilience of life in these complex ecosystems, where survival often hinges on adaptation and strength. It serves as a reminder that life persists even in harsh conditions, echoing the resilience inherent in all of nature. Wandering through shadows, we encounter the elusive wolf eel, lurking within rocky crevices, waiting for unsuspecting fish to swim too close. This formidable predator plays a dual role in the ecosystem, maintaining balance amid the chaos of predation. With jaws so powerful they can crack shells, the wolf eel's presence among the kelp signifies the rich tapestry of predator and prey dynamics unfolding within these forests. The deep, dark recesses of the kelp provide not just cover but a banquet for the wolf eel, reinforcing how vital these structures are for sustaining life. Small schools of juvenile rockfish seek refuge among the kelp's arms, blending with the foliage. This survival tactic ensures their maturity and contribution to biodiversity. Recent research highlights the critical role juvenile populations play in sustaining adults, emphasizing kelp forests as vital nurseries. The intricate ballet of life beneath the surface reveals how these young fish become integral to the community, their health directly correlating with the overall vitality of the ecosystem. These relationships speak to the intricate web of life, demonstrating how each species, no matter how small, contributes to the overall health and stability of the kelp forest. In hushed depths, a gentle rustling captures our attention. A sea otter floats serenely on its back, deftly using a stone to crack open an urchin. This interaction is an act of ecological stewardship, as otters prevent overgrazing by sea urchins, promoting healthier forests. Their role illustrates the profound impact a single species can wield. In an age of declining biodiversity, the sea otter reminds us of the delicate balance that exists in nature, urging us to protect these keystone species to ensure the health of their habitats. The otter's playful antics also serve as a reminder of the joy that exists within these ecosystems, their presence signifying a thriving underwater world. Kelp forests also host bizarre phenomena. Hydrothermal vents, hidden within their depths, exhale plumes of nutrient-rich water supporting extremophiles, organisms that thrive in extreme conditions. Recent expeditions unveil new species of tube worms and strange crabs, such as the yet-to-be-named crustaceans, thriving in these extremes, enriching our understanding of hidden realms. These vents contribute to the overall ecosystem, providing unexpected sources of energy and nutrients that fuel life in the surrounding kelp forests. The vibrant, sulfurous water surrounding these vents creates a dazzling contrast with the serene beauty of the kelp, illustrating the diversity of life that can flourish even in the harshest conditions. Current research reveals alarming implications regarding climate change. Rising ocean temperatures threaten kelp forests, pushing delicate balances into disarray. The phenomenon of ocean acidification further complicates the survival of these ecosystems, as shellfish and other calcareous organisms struggle to maintain their shells in increasingly acidic waters. Yet, scientists are not passive observers. Community-driven efforts emphasize sustainable practices and raise awareness of kelp's role in carbon sequestration. Grassroots movements spearheaded by local organizations foster a sense of stewardship, empowering individuals to protect their coastal environments. Programs aimed at educating the next generation about the importance of these ecosystems are proliferating, creating a wave of awareness and advocacy that is critical for the future of our oceans. As we emerge from the depths of the kelp forests, the beauty beneath remains etched in our minds, a world teeming with life, complexity, and resilience. The secrets of this underwater jungle call for respect and protection. The fate of these ecosystems lies in our hands, urging us to act with reverence for the wonders of nature. In contemplating the majesty of kelp forests, we must also remember that 80% of our oceans remain uncharted. What wonders lie beneath those dark waves? The mysteries of the deep urge us to dive deeper, expanding our knowledge and respect for the world beneath the surface. From vibrant coral reefs to hidden hydrothermal vents, each unexplored nook could reveal new species or intricate relationships vital to our planet's balance. We stand on the brink of discovery, where every plunge into the depths expands our understanding and reverence for the ocean. The ocean, vast and enigmatic, holds the keys to our future.